Hello friends, and happy Halloween! Today we are reading about our favorite truck in Little Blue Truck's Halloween, written by author Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. And this is a Lift the Flap book, which makes it a great interactive book to read together. In this book, we see all of Little Blue's friends dressed up in costume and ready for a Halloween party. I wonder if Little Blue Truck has a Halloween costume. What do you think? Let's read to adventure with Little Blue and his friends as they get ready for their Halloween party. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose? Up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth, who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Looks like everybody's gathered for their Halloween celebration. What do you think Little Blue's going to be? Croak, says Toad, there's just one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before? Off comes the sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo. The end. Did you like that story? All of the animals were dressed and ready for their Halloween celebration, including Little Blue Truck. He was a ghost. Which one of the animals was your favorite? Do you know what you want to dress up as for Halloween this year? Draw a picture and write a sentence or two on what you will be and why you chose that costume idea. Add as much detail to your drawing and writing as you can. Do you like our Read Aloud videos? We need your help. Like and subscribe to our page to see more. Next, listen to a favorite Halloween Read Aloud, Room on the Broom. Then head to healthyhappyimpactful.com to see a complete list of the best Halloween books for kids and teens. Have a fun and safe Halloween, friends!